How often should I replace my car's air filter? If you are a teenager learning to drive and own a car, you might wonder how often you should replace your car's air filter. This is an important part of keeping your vehicle in good shape. The air filter cleans the air that enters your engine. Clean air helps your engine burn fuel more efficiently, which leads to better performance and fuel economy. Over time, the air filter can become clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, especially if you drive in areas with a lot of pollution or dust. As a general guideline, you should replace your car's engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or about once a year, whichever comes first. If you frequently drive on dirt roads or in heavy traffic, it is wise to check and replace the air filter more often. A clogged air filter can lead to reduced engine performance and increased fuel consumption, which is not ideal for any driver. In addition to the engine air filter, there is also a cabin air filter. This filter cleans the air inside your car, keeping it fresh and free from pollen, dust, and other particles. Just like the engine air filter, you should also replace the cabin air filter roughly every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. Here are some practical tips for you as a teen driver. First, always check your owner's manual for specific recommendations for your car model. If you notice that your engine is less responsive or your fuel efficiency drops, it might be time to check the air filter. You can do a visual inspection by opening the air filter box under the hood. If the filter looks dirty or clogged, it is time to replace it. Changing the air filter is a simple task. You just need to remove the old filter, insert the new one, and make sure it fits snugly. Regular maintenance of your air filter helps your car run better and can save you money on fuel and repairs in the long run. By keeping up with this basic maintenance, you will learn to take better care of your car and develop good habits for responsible car ownership as a teen driver.